Alright, take 2, because I actually recorded this with a muted microphone. Anyway, god damn it. First of all, sorry to disappoint anyone who thought this next video was going to be Brandon Sanderson's writing lecture highlights. I'll get into that in just a little bit. I think this is going to be a rather short update vlog. But most of it is going to be about my lecture highlight videos and what to expect on the channel on that front. Anyway, it's May and things are going very, very well for the channel, I gotta say. Let's jump right into it. Brandon Sanderson's lecture highlights. They are coming. All of them, I swear. I have the next one in the works right now, and that will be uploaded on next Saturday. I'm going to change my video schedule just a little bit. So I want to have another lecture highlight video out every second Saturday starting from next week. So that means we will have these update vlogs on the first Saturday of every month. Then there will be a lecture highlight video on the second Saturday. And then there'll be a highlight video on the fourth Saturday of every month. And I do have other progress in the works, other projects in the works. And when they're done, or when I feel it's a good time to publish those will be on the third Saturday. So there'll be plenty of long form content on the channel. But yeah, the feed from me, long form content wise, will primarily be Brandon Sanderson lecture highlight videos. There are 16 of them, so that should be a good 8 months almost. And then these forgotten vlogs. I want to use these highlight videos as a means of building up a little bit of a video bank. So if that makes sense, so I don't necessarily have to work from video to video, but I can sort of plan things a little better. And who knows, when I'm actually done with if I'm making all of the lecture highlights, we might switch to a weekly upload schedule with those. But I don't promise anything right now. And the official schedule is every second Saturday for those uploads starting next week. Right, and then of course we are still gonna do the live streams. It'll mostly still be Mondays and Wednesdays, Sundays here and there whenever I feel like I have the time for it. And things are just going really, really well with that. In case you don't know, we are in the final stretches, it feels like, of the book. The book that I'm going to call, I'm almost 100% sure, Spirit Sun. Yes, I know. Part 1 of the Evening Sun trilogy. I'm really, really liking that name more and more the more I think about it. And on Monday, things are going to be really exciting because we're diving into the chapter 18. That is the chapter that I'm probably, if it's not the one I'm looking forward to the most, it is one of the chapters I've been looking forward to the most. And it is where Vesper and Lemon, our wonderful main characters, awaken in the realms of death. In my universe. Yes, I know, it's exciting, isn't it? Coming into the final stretches of the first draft it's actually a little scary. Like, I've been spending so much time on this, and the fact that I can now see the end is weird. Like, I know it's just the first draft. There's going to be plenty of live streams still. We're going to revise stuff. We're going to translate stuff. There's going to be beta reading. There's going to be maybe an editor on at some point. I'll see to that when we get there. Cross that bridge when we get there. But still, having the end in sight is nerve-wracking and scary, but in a good way. And I kind of can't wait for it to happen. Also because I think one of the things I'm always worried about in my stories is the action sequences. And I think, at least for the first draft, the action sequence that we just had with Squire Ronin down in the deep dungeons, it was actually quite nice. They were quite good. Good pacing, it felt like, at least when I wrote it. So yeah, that's on Monday. And, at least of this recording, we're almost at 200 subscribers. Yay! Thank you guys. I just want to say massive thank you to every one of you for thinking that my little corner here of the internet is worthy of your time and interesting enough to follow. It means so much. So yeah, thank you. I better stop this video. I basically said the same in the failed recording one, but I better stop this video before my eyes turn too misty in gratitude. So, with those words, if you missed the live stream, if you missed the first lecture highlight, it's somewhere on the screen. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this on YouTube if you haven't already, and maybe even subscribe to me. It means a lot. I'll see you Monday, I hope. And remember, we write our own stories. All right, bye.